Welcome. Today, we're diving into an exciting new update on LinkedIn that allows you to specify your website type as a company. This can enhance your professional profile and make it easier for others to connect with your business. Let's walk through the steps together. First, open your LinkedIn account by navigating to linkedin.com in your web browser. Once you're logged in, look at the top right corner of the page. You'll see a small icon that represents you. This is the Me icon. Click on it to access a drop-down menu. Next, from this menu, select Settings and Privacy. This will take you to a new page where you can manage various aspects of your LinkedIn account. In the left-hand sidebar, find and click on Account Preferences. This section is crucial for adjusting your profile settings. Now, under the Profile Information section, locate and click on Name, Location, and Industry. This is where you can edit essential details about your professional identity. After that, scroll down to find Contact Info. Here, click on Edit Contact Info to open up more options for customization. This is an important step where you can add or modify how people can reach you. Once you're in the Contact Info section, look for the field labeled Website. Here's where the magic happens. You'll want to find the website you wish to add. When prompted for the website type, make sure to select Company from the available options. This distinction helps others recognize that your website is associated with a business. Finally, after selecting the appropriate type for your website, don't forget to click Save at the bottom of the page. This ensures that all your changes are recorded and that your profile reflects your professional presence accurately. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can effectively set your website type as a company on LinkedIn, making it easier for potential clients or partners to find and connect with you. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips on navigating LinkedIn and enhancing your professional journey.